Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a passport size photo with mobile. So let's get started. Now I have opened my Snapseed apps. Then click the plus button for the import images. So I'm choosing images from my folder and select your image, whatever you want to make a passport size photo. So I'm downloading from the Facebook to this one that I have opened. Now click on pencil button and select the crop tool. Then crop the image. After you cropping, click on done button. Then it's ready. For now, click on pencil button and select the double explore tool and click the plus button right over here. And I want to select the background of blue. Then I'm choosing the images from my folder that I have download the blue background. Okay, now click on drop button here and increase the opacity or full opacity and click on OK. Now go to layer, click on it and go to view edits and double explore to open the edit layer and click on edit. Here you can see the photo. Now we need to remove the backgrounds, so brush over the backgrounds to erase the background like this. And I'm erasing the backgrounds. Okay. if you make a mistake like this, then you can remove the mistake. For you need to do the double explore. This one's 100 opacity to 0 opacity, so decrease the 0% and you can remove back like this. So that's the good idea. And you can increase the 100 opacity to double explore to remove the background back. So let's do that I'm making 100% opacity and remove back to background. So I'm removing backgrounds. So I want to do the fast removing background, so you need to remove very carefully. So finally I have removed the backgrounds. Please drop a like and share for this easy tutorial and subscribe for more updates. Now click again pencil button and click on frame, and you can see there are lots of frames, but I'm choosing 12 number and click the OK buttons. And here you can set beautiful password sizes, making really cool. Now save the image. Click on save button and click on export. Here you can see the save image. So thank you for watching my video.